Hi guys, my name is Tatiana, and in this video I want to show you how to apply Amazon gift card, and there are a couple of tricks there. So first of all, you can use the card from somewhere in your account, and basically if you open your Amazon, then you're supposed to see it somewhere in your account. Well, for me the font was too fine, I couldn't really find it there, so I decided to pay right after proceeding to checkout. So you proceed to checkout. First of all, choose the address, deliver to address. It offers you subscription to Amazon Prime. I don't want it, so I'll just opt out from it. So here, click to expand this section to be able to see it. So here it already applied it. You see, if I take it away, it brings my amount probably, I don't know, it didn't change anything. But theoretically, this is the amount which you will see there. So the code is at the top of the card where it says peel off for claim code. So it's not the barcode, it's not the card code, it's that code with dashes in my case on the top. So I made a mistake in the code because I put 2 instead of Z. Double check a couple of times what you're putting there. Once you apply the card, if you click apply, and then if you have a few cards, I guess you can probably repeat it. I'm not sure how many cards you can put it on. Then you can choose which card to pay with, and after that you either click on use this payment method, which means that it actually will probably kind of make you purchase this item. The tricky thing here is that if you look at the price, you actually will see that they're charging for shipping, but I wanted to ship for free because it's over $35. So make sure not to lose those like $8-9 in my case. So if you click on review order, you will see that there are actually a few options. I'm gonna take a screenshot. So choose here whatever applies to you. If you have Prime, choose Prime. I'm gonna choose free shipping January 15th. And hopefully it will arrive on time because I really need it before the weekend to create something. So here it shows instead of $40, $30, and that's correct. So I'm confirming and placing the order. Double check the address. And to change the delivery address, you can also add new delivery address. And here you can fill it out and add this address. So I probably should take away some other addresses which I have here. I have like 3 variations of the same address, I'm not sure why, but anyways. Alright, so here it is. That's how you do it. So let me know in the comments, guys, if it worked for you, and any questions. I'll try to help with whatever I can. Your likes and comments mean a lot to me. Subscribe to my channel and I'll be back with another tutorial. Stay well.